going to do a quick review. I'm going to show you what I use here. I replaced these bulbs with LEDs. Bulbs are usually 194s. So what I used was a LED, red LED, 194. I'll put a link to the LED where I buy these. That way you guys know. They work great. Go with the red if you have a red reflector. Something about the light wave on the LED works well with the red reflector. So you're going to go with red on the back side if you have a red. On the front side, it's the same thing. The front fender is a yellow one, so I went with a yellow LED 194 on the front fender. I'll show you the front fender also. Now these reflectors, they just pop in. There's little tabs up at the top. You gotta be careful because they will break. I already replaced this one. Push down on the top and push it in. At night, it really looks well lit. So I'll show you what the front one looks like. It's the same bulb except it's a yellow bulb and it's on the front. You can see the bulb actually through the lens. People tend to ask me why go LED. A couple of things. If you saw some of the other reviews on the other bulbs I did, they're brighter. They use less power. When you hit your brakes on and off, or if you have what I have, a brake light modulator for safety, where it flashes 3 times and it keeps it on for a certain amount of time and then it flashes them again, you get a quick, crisp response out of the brake lights. Makes it more visible, and they're brighter, so yeah, it's more visible, you know, for people behind you, they can see you better. All right, that's it. That's all I got. It's a quick video on the 194s that I used. Plug and play. You put them in and you're done. I'll have links for those 2 bulbs down below. Listen folks, I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. Everything I do at this point is all done by you know, by me. I buy the bulbs, I try them out, I see what works, what doesn't work, and then I go from there. All right, and the reason I'm mentioning this is like I said before in other videos, people have asked me if I was sponsored by these companies, and I'm not. I'm using my own cash. All right, any questions or comments, leave them below. Try to get to them. Take care. I'll see you all later.